Hello girls, welcome back to a new video at Shein Unboxing. My name is Linda and in this video we're going to be trying on some pieces I ordered from Shein to look super pretty and extra rock style. Yeah, for my favorite concerts. We'll be trying each outfit and at the end of the video I'll tell you which one is my favorite, okay? So yeah, and you girls would let me know in the comments which outfit you like the most. Remember, all the info about the pieces is in the description and pinned comment. Alright, my beautiful girls, let's start with this first outfit, and it's this white dress. It's super cute and pretty. Look at it. The first time I saw it, I was like, it's mine. I want it, literally. The fabric is very fresh and soft, and the style is super cute. So I'm going to try it on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it looks on me. I really love it. It's a sexy, cute, and super comfortable dress. I think this dress is perfect for going to Coachella. It has that fun and fresh vibe. I love it. It looks really nice, but let's give it a more rock vibe. Okay, so I'm going to put on this rock style jacket, also from Shein, and look at this. I'm definitely in love with this outfit. It looks super rock and I love it. Oh my goodness, 10 out of 10. Now let's move on to the next piece, which is a pair of pants with a very rock style that I love. The fabric is fresh and super comfortable, so let's see how it fits. I have to confess, I've always wanted pants like this, so this is definitely my favorite pair. They look really nice, to be honest. To style the pants, I got 3 blouses. So let's start with blouse number 1. It's this beautiful white blouse. Super elegant. Look at these details. They're so pretty. It's such a gorgeous blouse. So let's try on this outfit. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful and elegant, right? I really love the blouse. It feels comfortable and fresh. The pants are also super comfy. I love this combination. Now I'm going to tuck the top into the pants to see how it looks. And wow, it looks amazing too. I loved it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's go with the next blouse. This one is very rock style. I love it because it has that rock vibe, but also a little coquette touch. I don't know, I just loved it when I saw it. Look, it's so pretty. I'll be right back. Okay, this is how it looks on me. Wow, oh my gosh, I'm in love. I love this blouse. The design is very rock and dark. I love how thoughtfully it matches with my pants, you know. It's so good. I love this outfit, definitely. Okay, my girls, now let's go with the blouse number 3. Oh my gosh, the first time I saw it, I fell in love with this blouse. You know, I needed it immediately. I love this blouse because it has a grunge style vibe. I really love it. Look how beautiful it is. So pretty. I try it on and I'll be right back. And this is how it looks. I'm in love, definitely. I really like the grunge design. The fabric is super comfortable and fresh. Definitely obsessed with this beautiful blouse. Yeah, I love it. And well, girls, I loved all the combinations, but my favorite outfit is this one. I love how it looks, very dark, very rock, you know. I just love it. So let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, okay? So my beautiful girl, I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more Shein unboxings, I leave the playlist here. Go check it out, you're gonna love it. Bye! Mwah.